In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find archived posts. So you might have archived a post a while ago and you're not too sure where it went, but you'd like to see it again. This video is going to help you out. So first, before we begin, please be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I create awesome tutorials every day for you to enjoy. Appreciate that. So let's get stuck into it. So we're on the main screen currently. And the first thing, actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a photo. So that was my dinner yesterday, chips and barbecue sauce, lovely. We're just going to type a description in here. I'm going to share that. And we're just going to do one more for good luck. Which one? We'll do this one, this was a bit healthier. Click next. I'm going to just type a quick description and share that. Okay, so while those two are finishing up, no thanks. So you can see our images are there on our profile, that's great. I'm going to open this particular image, I'm going to click the three dots, I'm going to click archive. And I'm going to do the same with the other image, and we're going to click archive. So now you're probably wondering, how do we get them back? Where are they? So at the top of the screen, all we can do is click on the. It looks like a clock with an arrow going around the outside. We're going to click on that button, and this is showing us currently our stories archive. So this is what I archived yesterday, and at the top there's an arrow next to stories archive. So if you click that, you can change it to post archive. Look who it is, those two images that we just archived 2 seconds ago. So we can see the archive posts. We can click on it like so. And that's how you see your archived posts on Instagram. See ya.